Hey guys, want to bring you another YouTube video. So we just got this package from Target. So we're going to unbox it and make sure the packages and everything comes in clean. So just got this. Alright. I thought the box was kind of small, but for the megas, we got 3 of these. So find the exclusive pink prisms. I'm not big on the prisms, to be honest. Find 1 memorabilia card and then 3 prism. I don't think this one gets autographs. But here it is. You could get prism silver, pink, black, red, checker, press proof. Rookies prism. Silver, pink, black, and red checker proof rocks. Oh, there are rookie autographs prism, pink, fireworks, emergent hype, portals, prismatic, premier jersey pink, rookie gear pink. On average, non-base cards are included, approximately 1 per pack. So looks like these are in pretty good pristine conditions. So no dents, no nothing. Obviously the big chase is CJ Stroud. So we'll see if we're going to open any of these. I might have a video of that, but I'm thinking I want to try flip them because I know it's hard to make a return if you don't pull a CJ Stroud, honestly. So go ahead and hit that like, subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already, and together we could build better tomorrow. Thanks again.